Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan here, and welcome back to my little messy man cave. Today in this video we are going to talk about charging LiHV 1S LiHV or high volt 1S batteries for FPV Whoops. Before that, you can watch that the FPV racing quadcopters, FPV Whoops, micro brushless FPV racing quadcopters are lining up here. My personal favorite recently is Mobula 7, which actually gives you almost the same kind of performance as those full-size racing quadcopters. So this has been my very personal favorite so far. I'm having lots of fun with it. Then I have an Emax Tiny Hawk that is competing with this in terms of being best brushless FPV Whoop. You'll watch the videos of these on my channel, of course, separately, and you can watch the videos of these micro brushless ones as well on my channel. Now, because I love FPV whooping nowadays, so I have been stocking a lot of batteries. I mean, check this out. Mobula 7 came with 4 batteries. I ordered 5 more of these. I ordered 5 more inside. I had some older batteries laying here. And for Emax Tiny Hawk, I also ordered 5 pieces of these 450 milliamp high voltage batteries. They're all available on Banggood. Check out the link in video description. But when you have this many 1S high volt LiHV batteries, you don't want to charge them with charger. So I went ahead and got myself, that is the topic of this video today, the ultra power S6AC 1S AC/DC charger. Now this charger has its own built-in power supply. It is a 6-way charger. That means you can charge 6 of these batteries at the same time with different connectors. It has connectors like, it has micro, MX, MCPX and JST connectors on it, so you can actually charge LiPos or LiHV of these different connectors on this charger. Now let's not speak more about while it's in the box. Let me quickly unbox this charger for you. Right here inside the box you have a user manual, the ultra power charger. Before we dig more, check this out. That's what I'm talking about. You have different ports here, okay, so you can charge 4 different types of connectors, batteries. You can power this charger with a LiPo battery, which is up to 4S, using a 4S battery in the field. Should you want to charge in the field, you can use a 4S battery, or you can use the wall outlet at home, which is, you know, more convenient for you to charge at home with a wide wall outlet and outdoors with a battery. And obviously inside the box, the last thing will be the line, the cable for your wall outlet. Alright, well, I don't want the cable to mess the table for now for this demonstration. Let's use a 4S battery. So I have a 5300 milliamp 30C 4S battery, and I'm just gonna plug it in. Alright, first off, let me give you a quick overview of its features. I mean, how do you use it? It's really very easy to use. Let me zoom in a bit more. So you have 2 buttons, select and settings, and that's all you need to do. You have 6 different ports, okay, so you can charge 6 different batteries. And for that, first off, when you press select button, you can select the current, charging current. That is pressing the settings. You can change from 0.1 amp to 1 amp all the way. Alright, so we'll keep it to, let's say, 0.6 amps, okay? Alright, and press and hold settings, and it will save your current settings. Now, whenever you press the select button, it will always show you 0.6 amp. Alright, now you can charge LiPo or press settings LiHV. So you can select everything, I mean all 6 ports at once, okay? Or you can actually select one by one. So for example, if you want to charge LiHV at 1, 2 and 3, you can basically on each channel change and then press and hold the settings then go back to the second channel, change to LiHV, press and hold, save settings. Alright, settings saved. Then go to the third channel, LiHV, press and hold, save settings. So now on my 1, 2 and 3 channels I can charge LiHV, that is I can push the batteries to 4.3 volts, and my 4, 5 and 6 channel I'll charge the 1S LiPo batteries that I cannot push to 4.35 volts. Alright, so this is, I mean, it's a little bit difficult. I mean, it's a little bit of pain to press and hold the settings button again and again, but I just like this. I mean, you can just do one time, because I'm gonna charge all LiHV. So at one time I can change the whole all 6 channels to LiHV. Alright? Okay, now let's start connecting our batteries. So I flew with these 2 batteries yesterday and they are not charged. I'm just gonna connect them to this side of this charger. Okay, second is connected. I'm gonna pick up, now these are 300 milliamp and these are 250 milliamp. So I'm just gonna pick up 4 of these 250 milliamp and plug them in to 3, 4, 6, 5 and 4. Alright, all LiHV, and you can see their volts as well. Alright, so as soon as you connect the batteries, the charger automatically starts charging. You don't have to press any button. Alright, you just need to make sure to select the right battery type, LiHV or LiPo, and then just connect it to the right port. Don't make mistake, don't connect wrong battery to the wrong port, and it will automatically start charging. Alright, 2 of my batteries have charged on this S6AC, and the good thing is the charger beeped, okay, and also shows you with the bright green LED and plus writing in full. Let's wait so you can hear one more beep, probably coming on 4th port right here, because the battery is on 4.35. On 6th port also battery is on 4.35, almost done. Previously, chargers like these, the light will go off and you never know if the batteries have charged. This beeping is the thing that actually tells you the batteries have charged, so you can attend. See? You can easily attend the charger. I love that. I mean, this is what you need, because if not, then probably, I don't know if this one will keep charging or will stop charging. It does stop charging, but hey, I still prefer to have something like this, which shows you very clearly with the LEDs and with writing that your battery has charged, and also with a beep to notify you, to tell you that hey, battery has charged. So this is more reliable, safer, and probably faster and better to charge your 1S LiHV batteries for your FPV Whoops, brushless FPV Whoops. Now, if I'm flying my Mobile S7 in the field, I'm flying with 1 battery pack, that is 2 batteries, and I'm charging 6 of these. That means 1, 2, 3 more flights are being charged right here. And if you are an FPV whooper, an FPV whooping pilot, you definitely want to grab one of these so that you keep charging and keep flying. Don't stop FPV whooping. Before I end this video, the question is, what if you wanted to charge a 2S battery, not just 1S? Well, for that, I do have one charger to show you. The Ultra Power UP-S6AC. Now, this is the similar kind of charger that you just watched, but it will charge 4 batteries at the same time. But this time with this charger, you can charge 1S or 2S batteries. Check out the video review of UP-S6AC on my channel.